This is my pound USD trade for today, December the 10th, 2018. Here's my entry, and the SL moved to break even plus all the way down here, 160 pips so far. This is pound USD, and today I want to show you all the pound pair entries. This is pound CAD, same thing. Right from the beginning, this is my entry here, and SL moved to break even plus December 10th, all the way down here, 120 pip. And another one, pound Aussie, again this is my entry, two entries, and this is my SL here, and 190 pips so far from here to here, December 10th, 2018. So these are the trades that I'm showing, and these are not, all these three trades involve pound, and all of them short. Why that happened and why did I take all these trades? Because of this weekly chart of pound index that I had made Friday the 9th, November 9th, that the pound index was gonna drop from here to here, 23% line of this, and the support here 50 to 60. This is a monthly number, monthly low. What happened to this trade? The pound, this chart, watch. This is I recorded today. Okay, so pound index dropping means pound is getting weaker, and wherever the pound is on the left hand side, and the pound is always on the left hand side except euro pound, and I hate that pair. I really don't trade that. So basically pound is always on the left hand side, and if pound index is dropping, pound is getting weaker, and all pound pair will be dropping. I made another video before, and I posted on the YouTube, and a guy left a comment there that, are you on drugs? And I answered that yes, it is. I am on drug, and that drug called mastery of the market. Okay, because when the pound index is dropping and pound is getting weaker, all pound pair are gonna drop. Watch, I just showed you three pairs. The two that I didn't take the trade, also pound yen. Look, from here to here, 200 pip drop. Okay, pound is on the left hand side, pound yen, and this is today. You can see the date, this 10th December 2018, 10th December. Okay, also another pound pair, pound Aussie. Watch, pound Aussie drop by the book entry here, drop all the way more than 200 pips. So why all pound pair dropping? Because pound index, and watch this pound index chart on these candles, not the weekly, but this is 20-minute. And when I did the webinar yesterday, the price was here. See, the 10th started from here, so we closed Friday here, right? So I said that it is already bearish and below the wave, and beautiful short setup in place, and it's gonna drop. And also you have the news about Brexit, a few bad news that's not gonna happen, this and that, and Theresa May is in trouble. So when you have some kind of bad news from England, then the pound gets hurt, right? So all the things were pointing to the downside, the index, pound weakness, and because of this pound weakness, I had all these trades, and this is how easy it is. Let me just show you. See, pound Aussie, 200, more than 200 pip. Pound yen, 200 pip drop because of this chart. And then pound Aussie, I took, this is the entries, these are the entries, and this is SL move. You can see 190 pip. And pound CAD drop more than 200 pip, but it's like 120 pip on here. And this is pound USD, 160 pip. So this is how easy it is, and this is what I teach in my webinars, that if you can pinpoint the charts. For example, these charts, I have made these charts for every index: USD index, yen index, pound index, euro index, Aussie index, New Zealand index, and CAD index. Weekly chart and monthly chart with all the numbers and bullets and everything. When you subscribe, I give you the template of these, so that you can have all this work done and in your computer. for the reference, right? So all you gotta do is just take these numbers, and wherever you are now, for example, the price was here, so you take 64.33, 59.10, 64, 61.27, and then you draw these numbers on your 20-minute and 40-minute chart. This is 20-minute chart and this is 40-minute chart. So this is how it is coming down, and we were here when we started today. Okay, and then it started already coming down off of this, hitting this red line, so it was all bearish, and after that, boom, all the way down, right? So this is what I teach, and I give you that, and you also will get like the whole package. It's a whole package involving this EA and this indicator that create these candles, everything online, yeah. Okay, and look how beautiful this chart is. I mean, it's just pound index just going down and taking all pound pair to the downside, all pound pair except euro pound, because pound is, and it went up. Pound euro pound, it will go up when that happens. So you go and check, and pound euro pound today went up. Definitely has to be. I didn't see it, but it has to be. Okay, so this is the power of watching the index, because if you you can catch a good direction in one index, you literally have like 6 to 8 or maybe 10 trades in hand to choose from. For example, yen has like almost 10 pairs, right? So if you can catch yen going to the upside, you know that yen is getting weaker, and then all yen pairs is going to be going to the upside, and you jump on them when it starts moving. You have to see the setup though, by the way, right? And I was expecting this, and I was waiting for the short setups, and I got short setups as I was planned. This is what I said on the Sunday's webinar to my subscribers. Hopefully they all probably got these trades, or some of them. So this is what you can do. Aussie index is about to move. I made the chart. I made the chart and I gave it to my subscribers about everything. It's all the indexes and the pairs, and it's that easy. So if you're interested, go on my website here. You can see all these previous USD-CAD on the December 5th. Everything here. The previous. Look at this one here. You see, December 4. All the trades. If you want to become a subscriber, use this button, subscribe. You can go here and see this. All the previous webinar recordings are here for you to learn. A lot of learning from here. All my before charts are here. New chart I post and I send out, they are all here. Okay, and a whole 9 yards is here. So once you subscribe and you start spending some time and watching my videos and attending my webinars, you will become master. So it's Elliott wave. Let me show you quickly how I was tracking Aussie index charts, so you can have a little bit of idea that what the Elliott wave is all about and how I track it, right? So Aussie index also, right? See, for example, I'm not gonna go too far back, but here on a 40-minute chart, I'm watching Aussie index, and based on that, see, Aussie index I said is gonna drop from here to here, and Aussie is gonna get weaker, and obviously when Aussie gonna get weaker, Euro Aussie and Euro Pound will be going to the upside, right? And they did, and I took the trades, and I took long Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie for like 150, 200 pip, those big trades. Then after this, you can see here I said we are here, wave 4, right? Finish. And then I said we're gonna be going to the upside for wave 5, right? So what happened to that? Let me show you what happened to that. We were here exactly at wave 5. So when you're tracking this, if Aussie index is going from here to here for wave 5 to the upside, Aussie is getting strong again, and then if Aussie is getting strong, then Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will be dropping, and Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, they will be going up. So if you can track one of these index, you have 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in hand to choose from, whichever pair you like, and you can just find your beautiful entries and take them. That's it, simple as that. Okay, So this is how it is. Like I said again, go on my website, subscribe, get the package, set up your charts, and get going profitably. You can trade. So look at this. All of these my trades. These are Aussie index. This is the Elliott wave count. I teach everything. See, this is what happened after wave 5. It dropped all the way down for wave 1. I mean A1 or A. And then it will go up again. I made the chart and I gave it to subscribers already. What will happen next? Okay, and this is how it is. So I'm gonna close my video. I'm not gonna make it long video. All of these previous week trades are here in this monthly subscription page. Taking some time here. Let me just show you quickly. If you go on this page, you can see step by step. These are for the last week trades. So look at this. When the Aussie index, Aussie dollar was getting weaker, pound Aussie, euro Aussie was going up. And look at this. Upside, right? Euro Aussie trade. Where's Euro Aussie? Euro Aussie, I don't know. Probably not here. Pound Aussie again. This one, right? I didn't trade Euro Aussie then. I trade Pound Aussie. So all of these trades, previous trades, are here with the trades on the charts. It's not like I'm just showing you just entries. I'm showing you the trades on the charts by the book with the setup. This setup is very, very common, very strong. Once you understand these candles and how to take. See this one: short here, short here, short here, short here, short here. You can't go wrong. All you gotta see is that this indicator has to be all the way to the upside. So it was here up, right? Short. You can't go wrong. Here up, here up, here up. In between here it wasn't up, right? Here it was not up. So you don't take this one. You take this one. You don't take this one. You take this one. But it is not touching the wave, so you don't take this one. So I teach everything. I teach how to take these setups. From 20-minute chart and how to set up these charts, everything. Okay, so final words again. If you want to be a part of it, go on my website, myforestmagicweb.com. So you can find the subscribe button everywhere on my website. Become a part of this group and start trading like we are doing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.